My name is Corey Nishan, and I am the online branch manager and an assistant vice president. A certificate of deposit is a type of account that typically earns a slightly higher interest rate in exchange for the customer agreeing to keep those funds on deposit for a certain length of time. Our customers typically choose a certificate of deposit because they offer a slightly higher interest rate and the earnings are guaranteed over the life of the term. The FDIC offers insurance for each individual depositor up to $250,000. It offers peace of mind to our customers. In the rare event that banks struggle, those funds are recoverable. And customers are also able to increase their FDIC insurance by adding joint account owners and beneficiaries to their accounts. That peace of mind is invaluable for our customers. Our CD rates are subject to change without notice, again, based on the bank's needs and market conditions. But we always keep our most up-to-date interest rates available online. So on any given day, you can check there and you can see exactly what our interest rates are for all of our terms. The best term for a certificate of deposit really comes down to an individual's needs. We offer a wide variety of CDs, anywhere from a single month up to many, many years. And you're going to have full knowledge of the interest rate that's available to you for any of those terms at any given time. Interest rates are guaranteed from the first day you submit that application until your CD matures without any changes during the duration of the term. At a CD's maturity, there are several options available to our customers. They can choose to close the account and redeem the proceeds. They can choose to let that CD simply roll over for the same term at the new interest rate that's in effect that day. And you also have a 10-day grace period where you can add funds, withdraw funds, or modify the term of that certificate. So one of the common success stories that I see with our customers really benefits those customers that are in their retirement years. When you invest money in a certificate of deposit, that interest rate is guaranteed for the life of the certificate, and that means the earnings on that money is also incredibly predictable. I see a lot of customers have that interest earning sent to them on a regular basis, here typically quarterly, and they can use those earnings as a predictable part of their day-to-day living expenses. There are always people available to help them with questions about their certificates of deposit. We have people available every business day from 8 a.m. to 5:30 Eastern Time. There's a group of people who are ready to answer all of their frequently asked questions. And our website is a huge resource of information too. If people are curious, they can go there, look at the frequently asked questions, and if we don't answer it there, get on the phone and talk to one of our experts. We have branches in East Lansing, Traverse City, and Grand Rapids, and then our national footprint is available to anybody in the U.S. by going to our website and visiting the opening section of our website.